a new topic. In the journey of destruction of democracy, we have reached at last paragraph. Already in previous classes, we discussed about how Hitler destroyed the democratic system of Germany. Okay, I had given you some homework, some assignments. How many of you have already completed that? You show your interest through chat box. Your assignment was to learn the important features of Enabling Act. Enabling Act was passed by Nazi Party in the year of, you have to tell the year, in which year the Enabling Act was passed.
1930.
Yes, okay. Naman Kumar 1933, Ayush Kumar, Riya Bharti, Ayushi Singh, Sweetie, everyone. So at last, Tanvi, Vaibhavi, the last paragraph, the last point is that at last, after passing Enabling Act, the dictatorship was established in Germany. Vineet Kumar, please rename yourself. Okay. So after that, establishing dictatorship in Germany, now he started special surveillance and police forces to control the society, which the Nazi party wanted to rule accordingly. नाजी पार्टी अपने तरीके से पूरे लोगों को कंट्रोल करना चाहती थी और जैसे वो शासन करना चाहती थी उसके लिए उसने अंतिम उपाय किया कि खास निगरानी स्पेशल सर्विलांसेस उसने स्टार्ट किया, ठीक है, और सिक्योरिटी फोर्सेस सुरक्षा बलों को फिर से गठित किया एंड दे गॉट एक्स्ट्रा constitutional power. For what? We are going to that topic. Today's topic is the destruction of democracy. Already you know that. Already we discussed, we travel the journey a lot. Now we have reached at last. Today we are going to discuss about the last paragraph, that is how did Hitler control or to rule the people of the Germany. For that, what he did, today we are going to discuss. So, first of all, special surveillance and security forces were created to control and order society in what the Nazis wanted. Okay? Apart from the already existing regular police in green uniform and the SA or the storm troopers. These included the Gestapo, Secret State Police, the SS, the Protection Squads, Criminal Police, and the Security Service, SD. Already in Germany, some police forces were existing, like SA or green uniform or storm troopers. Storm troopers means क्या होता है? उस समय की जो पुलिस थी वो कहीं भी हमला कर देती थी, हाँ, वायलेंस करने वाली स्ट्रॉम ट्रूपर्स था. These included the Gestapo. उसके अलावा उसने उसमें क्या था? गेस्टापो, एक सेक्रेट स्टेट पुलिस का गठन किया गया, गेस्टापो. द SS स्ट्रॉम ट्रूपर्स में के अंदर the SS, the protection squads, criminal police, and the security service, SD. It was the extra constitutional power of these newly organized forces that gave the Nazi state its reputation as the most dreaded criminal state. यहाँ पे क्या लिखा है? इन लोगों को संवैधानिक इतनी शक्तियां दे दी गई थी, इतना मनमाना ढंग से चलाने के लिए दे दिया गया था पावर, जिसके वजह से जो नाजी स्टेट था, जो नाजी पार्टी की सरकार थी जर्मनी में, वो सबसे ज्यादा मोस्ट ड्रेडेड, सबसे भयानक को बोलते हैं ड्रेडेड, क्रिमिनल स्टेट के रूप में ख्याति प्राप्त हो गया. ठीक है. सानवी राज एंटर्ड वेरी लेट. व्हाई? प्लीज मेंटेन द टाइम. हाँ. नेक्स्ट इज, अब कौन कौन सा जस्ट वी एट लास्ट we will discuss about the police forces, the security forces for special surveillance created. You have to name them. I will write in on the blackboard, or for going ahead I am asking, what police forces were created to control over the society by Nazi party or Hitler? Anyone? Are you saying special surveillance and security forces? You have to name these forces. Okay. Already existing were regular forces. Already regular forces. Regular forces. Regular forces in green uniform. This force was already existing in the Germany. Okay. The next one, already it was existing one, or SA. SA means what? SA very important. The other name of SA, or it is given or. यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है और. Storm troopers. हिंसात्मक हमला, कहीं भी अचानक हमला कर देने के लिए ये फोर्स बनाई गई थी. ओके. Storm troopers, SA. Stormtroopers, SA. Okay. Now, the other forces were created to control over the society were what? You have to name the other forces created after establishing dictatorship of Hitler. What they were? Huh? They were SSST. Very good. Who said? Who gave the answer? Yes, Priyanshu. Yes. Priyanshu, once again you send your answer. SS and ST. Okay. SS. The other one. The other one. SS means what? SS means, yes, Gestapo. Yes, are you saying Ria? Good. Well done. SS, the protection. The protection squads, SS. SD, SD, SD for what? Security service. Okay, Priyanshu, Ayush, Ishan, security service. Okay, good. Criminal police. Criminal police or security service. Criminal police. Are you getting class? दिखाई दे रहा है? It is visible to you? So SSSD. Okay. Gestapo. Already you said what? Gestapo. ठीक है? Gestapo means secret state police. State police. Gestapo. Now, Gestapo, SS or SD. These were created as a security forces and got extra constitutional power for what? Very important. It is given in the book that people could now be detained in Gestapo torture chambers. What they have right? Gestapo forces had right to people detained in Gestapo torture chambers. Gestapo का जो यातना गृह था, टॉर्चर चेम्बर था, वहां लोगों को रखने का उनको अधिकार दे दिया गया गेस्टेपो को, पुलिस फोर्सेस को, सिक्योरिटी फोर्सेस जो थे, ठीक है. राउंड अप एंड सेट टू कंसंट्रेशन कैंप. इनको कंसंट्रेशन कैंप में, इन प्रीवियस क्लासेस वी ऑलरेडी डिस्कस्ड अबाउट कंसंट्रेशन कैंप्स. ठीक है, कंसंट्रेशन कैंप्स में ले जाने का, सबको एक साथ ठूस के रख देने का, वहां पे इन लोगों को राइट मिल गया. डिपोर्टेड एट विल, जब इच्छा हो, गेस्टापो को ये राइट मिल गया कि जब भी उनकी मर्जी हो किसी को भी डिपोर्ट कर देना, देश निकाला दे देना, अपना जहाँ पे वो रहते थे वहां से उसको खदेड़ देना, भगा देना, देश निकाला दे देना, इसके लिए उनको राइट मिल गया. और अरेस्ट विदाउट एनी लीगल प्रोसीजर, बिना किसी लीगल प्रोसीजर के, कानूनी प्रक्रिया के किसी को भी गिरफ्तार कर लेने का अधिकार भी मिल गया. The police forces acquired powers to rule without impunity. अब जो पुलिस फोर्सेस को था, उन लोगों को राइट्स मिल गया कि वो किसी को भी कोई भी सजा दे के, दंड दे करके रूल स्थापित कर सकते हैं. ऑर्डर स्थापित करने के लिए वो कुछ भी, उसके ऊपर कोई भी जवाबदेही नहीं था, किसी को उसको जवाब नहीं देना था, कोई कंट्रोल नहीं था इन लोगों के ऊपर. तो these steps Hitler took to establish dictatorship in Germany. Now we came to an end of this topic, that is destruction of democracy. I want to know from your side that what steps, already we finished this topic. अब इस टॉपिक के खत्म हो जाने के बाद आपको क्या करना है? You have to prepare a mind map. Okay, very easy. Very long we discussed about the destruction, the process of destroying the democratic process in Germany by Hitler and Nazi party, and you have to prepare a mind map. Are you ready for that? Mind map क्या होता है? टॉपिक रहेगा destruction of democracy. I am going to start. You have to, let me check. how to prepare mind map. Today we are going to understand mind map. Okay. At last, I will ask some feature of enabling act. Get ready for that, student. Okay. So, can you read the topic? What is in the circle? Circle में क्या है? Who will say fast?
Destruction of democracy.
Okay. So, this topic may come in 5 marks or 3 marks. 4 marks as well. Okay. So, get ready for that. So, steps. आपको लिखना होगा. What points you have to explain? Anyone? The first one is what? What Hitler did to destroy democracy in Germany?
Ma'am, fire decree.
Fire decree. It is what? The first one who said Sanvi. I am unable to find out the name. Who said the answer? Fire decree. Fire decree. With the help of fire decree, which type of rule was established? What was the feature of a fire decree? Anyone can say? कोई भी बता सकते हैं? Fire decree. The act of fire decree was passed, and you can also explain what suspended what, students?
Civil rights.
Okay. Civil. इसको अभी नहीं भी लिखेंगे. If you are not writing it, this doesn't matter. Only the points you have to write. 4 points I required. After fire decree suspended civil right for how many times? Indefinitely. अनिश्चित काल के लिए. फायर डिक्री से अनिश्चित काल के लिए सिविल राइट्स सस्पेंड कर दिए गए. बैन लगा दिया गया, सेंसरशिप लगा दिया फायर डिक्री से. The next point was what?
Enabling Act was passed.
Okay, so I am going to rub this. You have to explain of your own fire decree. Okay. Second point is what? Enabling Act. Both the steps were taken in the year of students. Already you answered.
1933.
Okay, 1933. And already we discussed, we know about in 1933, the Nazi party became the what? Majority party, the largest one or the smallest party?
Largest party.
Yes. We got 37% seats in the Reichstag. So these two